I wanted to make this video to thank all the subscribers and the viewers on my channel. I started my YouTube channel, I think back in 2004. I'd have to check. Well, anyway, I made a video and it went viral, which I've never had a video do before. And the analytics are pretty crazy on it. This is the video right here. It's called Tire Plug Motorcycle Flat Repair. And it currently has 272,599,000 views. And it has basically got 250,000 subscribers to the channel and 23,874 comments. And I've never seen any analytics like this before in any of my videos. They all just have a few views. So I thought I would share this with anybody that's interested in YouTube analytics and what they look like. I've never seen a page like this with any of these kind of performance stats. So I wanted to go over them really quick. If we look at this real time right here, it's updating live. And about every 10 seconds, this light will blink and this number will go up. So it's at 5,516,000. Well, now it's at 5,517,297 in the last 48 hours. And let's see what it updates to. So it just updated. The channel broke its all-time record and it broke its all-time high. It looks like today at 9 to 10 a.m. the video, well, today at 5 to 6 it had 179,000, then 198,000, 214,000, 248,000, and this last hour it has got 256,340 views, which is mind-blowing to me. I've never seen anything in my life get that many views on any of my videos. So I'm very thankful, and I do appreciate everybody that's watched the video or commented on it or liked it. But this is a pretty fun page to look at, and it gives you a breakdown as to where the shorts are, 91%, director unknown is 8.3%, playlist 0.4, browse features 0.1, and it shows this chart right here. It looks like it says it's heading up to 300 million. That would be amazing if it made it up there. So in the first 154 days and 12 hours, it has gotten 273,297,979 views. And if we click on see more, it gives it this graph, which is an amazing graph. 256,000 views at 9 to 10, and it shows these per minute, which is amazing. 4,408 views per minute. 4,270. 4,349. 4,485 every minute. And the last minute had 3,795, 2,397, and right now at 10:36 to 2:37 it's 304, and it's updating every 10 seconds, 554. So that is pretty amazing in itself. And if we click on the video, it is this video right here.
If you wear glasses or contacts, you must see this. A Japanese Nobel Prize-winning scientist in stem cell research, Shinya Yamanaka, has discovered a natural
So anyway, that is the video. And wow, 3 million likes, 180,000 dislikes. Well, that's the video, and I just wanted to share the analytics and the chart. I know that some people are interested in analytics, and if you've ever wondered what a video looks like, because I know I have, that's what a video looks like when the algorithm has really kind of taken over on the video. And the what the chart looks like. Over on this day, the video got 3,338,639 views in one day. And over the course of 2 days, it had over 6 million views, which is mind-blowing to me. Anyway, if you like motorcycles and you like other cool stuff, there's a ton of videos on my channel you can check out. And if you haven't subscribed and you do like this kind of stuff, then go ahead and subscribe, and we'll definitely have more videos for you. But for right now, thanks for all the views, thanks for all the comments, and thanks for all the subscriptions to all my subscribers. I really do appreciate it.